What's up guys, today we are changing this bike tire and the tube inside of the tire. Like basically the tube goes right here and the tire goes on top of it. And the reason why we're changing it because it's springtime and we want to go biking. It's only 2 months left of school. We have to take the nut off the axle like this. Spin it with your hands. I'm surprised, oh yeah, I have some oil on my hand. I just be able to lift it up. You just spin it and then take it off. Yep, you do. Okay, so now we are gonna put air in the tire. So we have to remove the rim. Here's the tube, whatever tube, just a tube for biking. And it goes in here, then you put this on. So you could see it's rolled up. Like, yeah, it is rolled up. It's a big circle. So you have to put this on the outside. You have to make sure everything goes flat. And this thing, like the little air nozzle, has to face outwards, not inwards. Like it has to face inwards, like this way. It has to not be crimpled. And almost done. Okay. Oh, yep, right here. Okay, here you go. And now you get this. There should be a hole here somewhere. Yep, right there. Now you just... And you have to take the cap off first out of everything. Because you have to. And now... you have to try or somehow put it right through like I just did. Then start to push it. No. You have to start to do like, is that in? No, can't be, right? Oh, it is. Oh, it has to be inside of it. Okay, then you put the cap on to make sure it doesn't come off. Okay, just finished putting the tube and the tire onto the rim. Now I would have to put air in it. So first I should probably get the air nozzle, whatever this thing's called. Then leave that right there. Then should take off this. If it would come off, yep it did. Then I would have to, this thing would not turn. Okay, now this thing's unscrewed. Okay, now you just have to put this thing. Okay, now you have to put the cap on, and I just filled it up with water. With air, like you could see, it's really hard. Not at the point where like would blow up. Oops. Oh, put the cap on, right? Now just put it on. For the air to not come out, feel sturdy. Now you go over here. And the bike is right there, guys. So actually, I would just step over here. There's the bolt that came off early in the video. I just slide this on. I don't know which way. This way. Yep, perfect is. Now you get the nut. Screw this thing on. Make sure it won't come off too easily. Yep. Go now. There. It works. Yeah, it would fit. Now you just take it and keep turning it until it's really tight for it to not fly off when you're biking. Then your wheel will come off. Then, not too fun stuff will happen. Okay. Yeah, that thing is getting quite tight. Yeah, I'm turning the bike now. And that's it. That's how you put on a tube on and a tire onto a rim and replace the tire. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more fun videos like this and other ones. Make sure to share the video with family and friends. And that's it. So bye.